Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today, family,
we're doing the wrong thing, huh? Shit, I gotta come hard today with them water bottles. You feel me?
Yes. How much water bottle you have? Can I help you? Quiet on the set.
I got 3 to start. You feel me? 3 to start. That's light though.
I have 2. So we are doing a challenge. We was called out by Cuzzo AB, and I was minding my business, watching her video, being nosy,
as always.
And then all of a sudden she said, "I'm calling out some people," and we were on that list.
So what we got today is the Wingstop Atomic Wings versus Buffalo Wild Wing Blazing Wings.
Yes. So we have some corn here because Cuzzo had some corn, so I figure we'll have some corn. You understand?
You taking it for the team. We gotta take it for the team. Yeah. You feel me?
It's not timed, okay?
Yes.
So
it's not timed.
As you can see, these are the atomic ones, and these are the blazing wings.
Yes.
And the last time she challenged us to a challenge, we did beat it. Although my ears were on fire, I was screaming.
All right, it happens.
You guys can go check that video out up there.
Up there, someplace, there, middle, sideways, whatever you want. So check it out.
Okay.
So where we at first? Where we at with it today? So it's not time. That's good. Yes. You know what I'm saying?
And you can dip it. You can drink.
You could drink, or you start drinking already.
Because
you ain't even start yet. No.
I have to water my mouth. Get it ready.
Your mouth should be water ready.
Get it water. Get it ready.
Get it wet.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so where we at? Remember today, disclaimer, first lady, you buy your own today. I can't eat your food today, you feel me? So
I like what I tell.
So listen, family, she's by herself because she got to handle her own today because this joint is hot. Look at this joint already. It's like,
oh my gosh.
You know?
What the fuck? Honey, it's an episode in my face.
You see? Hold on. It's the thing.
Oh, it's off?
Yeah.
Okay.
But here what?
Alright.
So what sauce is this now again?
Yours is blue cheese, mine's is ranch.
Oh, so you don't want blue cheese?
I just do the ranch.
Okay, let's see what it is. So first, which one you gonna start?
I'm just gonna start with the hot one.
You wanna go with the hot one?
Yeah, this is the hot. And why is it that they put so much sauce?
For real, son.
It's almost like they knew we was gonna do a challenge to box side.
No, cause I go tell them. Look at this one. Cause why you go tell them that? Look at that. But family, you take a bite first before I say you tell us how it is.
Take a bite of mine too.
You can have a lot today.
Since you always say I don't share.
Alright, let me open my sauce.
I'm gonna go in and
Take it easy. Let me go hard. Listen, I'm not even.
Tamia had one. Vincent had.
Oh.
Fuck.
Wow, shit. I'm not licking my hands. I don't care what y'all want to say. Oh wow.
No.
That's hot.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that is hot. Yeah. That ass, no cap.
Honey.
But there's no rush. That's the problem. You don't have time, so you have to take your time. Eat. Okay. Why they soak it like that?
When I bought these Buffalo Wild Wings and Wingstop. Oh Lord, please don't let my ears burn.
Family, I'm not eating the bone today.
It's not too far. Like it's like a little bit far from my house.
Yeah. Look at this shit.
So I don't like cold food. So I just put them in the oven just to warm them up a little bit.
You did the work. You made it the burst.
When I opened the oven.
Shit, I got dip my shit. I don't care what y'all want to tell me. I'm dipping my shit. I'm doing what Cuzzo did. Like that, I'm dipping, son.
When you open the oven. Come on now, we Jamaican.
Even the dog ring.
Our yard we come from.
Hot is hot. There's always different hot. Okay. Which one you gonna eat first? All 5 of these first, or you want to switch? Take my hot one, then.
All of them is hot.
Take the one that's dark. The dark one, then.
Oh, that's so sweet. But I can't.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna see, family, I'm gonna see if I can eat them off without drinking the water. You think I can do it? Let's see. Damn, I like licking my fingers, but damn, I don't feel like licking my fingertips. Here, lick mine for me.
You mind?
Cuzzo, you love that spice, huh? Yeah. I'm not eating my bones today. No can do. It's the hot wings for me. Come on, man up, man.
I'm a woman.
Well, you have to man up today. You gotta man up. Wow, look at this though. Look at it again. Why they put so much though? You serious? And it's like they just. Yeah, at real, man. Family, y'all gotta help us today. You see what happens when you don't mind your business? Good. Okay, perfect. Okay. These are hot.
My nose starting to run.
I bet your mind's off and go and leave you.
What?
Yeah.
Family?
Come on, girl. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it for a day. Come on. We like hot. We got it.
Okay.
Why I keep licking my fingers though? Let me take a coin. Wow, it creeps up slowly.
I'm just eat the hot ones.
Take it like a champ.
All I'm saying is, thank God that she dipped it in the sauce and drank juice.
Yeah. I like, please drink something, please drink something. Oh yeah. Take it like a champ, man, huh? Eat some corn with it. I'm not gonna drink anything. You feel me? All right now.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Sorry, it went my nose.
Okay.
No napkin.
This one is the wild wings, all right? Hold on here. One more napkin. Okay. Let's see what they got going on.
I don't care if I'm blowing my nose. I'm sorry. Okay? That nose is running.
Okay. The Wingstop one is hotter.
The Wingstop one?
Oh, sorry, family. Here. Take the buffalo one. Look at the difference. Look at the difference.
I'm just trying to. Listen.
I'm taking like a boss. Oh.
The problem is, not that it's hot, because we love spicy food. The problem is that if you breathe the wrong way, and a little bit of it go down the wrong pipe, you messed up.
Dip it as much as you want. I'm going hard, son. Gotta take on for the family. We're doing good, right? Cheers on. You're doing good though.
I think so.
You doing good, right?
Hot.
How you doing, Charlie King? Did everybody cheering you on?
Hot like fire.
It's good. Just eat. No time. Remember, this is the best thing. And it ain't time. Yeah. Damn, son.
You know it's not running? No, it's running.
Okay,
Like a water fountain.
Okay, because I was hungry.
Come like a river.
Yeah.
But they're hungry too.
When you're hungry, you don't think about stuff. And eat.
I don't want to touch your mother.
Yeah, that bitch creeping out. But yeah, this one. Wingstop.
Okay, this one.
Wingstop is hot. Wingstop is hot. Damn it. What the hell? I gotta go take this. I gotta dip now. I feel it now. It's coming out.
Oh yeah.
I know. Y'all telling me to drink. I know, but I don't want to drink yet.
My eyes is starting to water. But yeah, this is much hotter. This is hot now, don't get me wrong. But they put so much sauce. And it's dried on.
I'm afraid you're like, you're like, yo, you better come get me.
It's so funny, I got two too.
I got 3 over there. Yeah, a lot.
Who you got 3?
Excuse me, yeah. But I don't want to drink. Dad, you want me up here, Mama? It's the wing for me. Come on, you got this, man. Cut it out. You're a beast. It ain't hot.
Doing.
It's messing your mother up. It's hot,
It's hot.
but
Hot.
you gotta just eat.
That's why I told you, man. Gotta keep eating it.
You gotta keep eating, yeah. Hear the cheerleaders them in the back.
Take away.
Stop. Keep going, Mom.
I can feel it.
Yeah, Daddy. Daddy has method. He just keeps chewing. All right. Well, good luck.
Thank you, baby love.
To your doom.
This one's not bad. This
Yeah.
one? Yeah. This is not that hot.
The buffalo wild wing ain't that hot. With the Wingstop. Yeah. Wingstop.
You know what? You should do Cuzzo. But not everybody have a Zaxby's.
Yeah.
Zaxby's one.
Zaxby's is
Whoa.
hot.
Zaxby's wings.
Try the Zaxby's, the hottest wing they have in here. That's hot. I ain't gonna lie.
We can't even finish them.
We didn't finish that. It's good though. I don't care, I'm hungry. Look at these joints how they soak though. Why they gotta do that though?
Yeah.
You got mad at the people then when they was making it? Huh? You gotta get mad at the people because this is not normal, B.
That don't look normal, right?
Right.
That look like they purposely put extra.
You did something to them or something was wrong cause
Nope.
family. That's drench.
In person, it looks worse than camera.
Yeah. Wow. I'm not eating, y'all. Damn, this is good. It's a spicy one. I'm gonna eat and bounce.
Yeah, get up and see what happens.
I'm gonna bounce on your ass.
If you think you're bad, get up.
I'm gonna leave. Today you can have all your food. I'm not helping you.
If you think you're bad, get up.
Family, I don't care. I'm not helping her
Because
today.
when you done, I'm done. Oh,
You gotta finish your 12.
no, you can't leave me.
Yo, I wanna drink water so bad, but I'm not.
We ride together. We die together.
You can have
The greedy couple for life.
They said Vincent are always on your food. Okay. Family, here we go. The last 3. Atomic in the building.
My nose is burning.
You got this, First Lady. Look at this, though.
Some got my nose and it burns.
No, I'm gonna have to go report them, dog. They put too much. This is hot. It is. I ain't gonna lie. No cap. This one you hot. Okay. One napkin.
Please. You can't touch your face.
You can't touch your face, and I ain't licking my fingers. I lick my finger like I'm a dweeb, son. Yo, don't do that shit.
I'm gonna beat my lip.
Maybe it's hot. Damn, that's the worst. Yo. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. When you want them to give you big wings? No, yo, shit, no, don't put that on my side today. Hell no, you ain't. You think I'm stupid? Hell no, you ain't catching me today. Hell no, you on your own, son. Hell no, you on your own today, family. You're gonna have to be mad with me.
I can't laugh.
She's on her own today. Today I'm full. No bueno.
Sasha there crying for food. Sasha can't yam this. Sasha was smothered and run.
One more go to go. These hot food. Okay.
Stop, Sasha.
You don't want none of this food today. You better stop.
This is boy.
It's a brave little boy. Okay. Family, one more and then I'm gonna drowse them water. Damn, First Lady, I feel sorry for you, but you gotta handle it yourself. Here, switch. You take this one. So your pants too? Woo! Family, help me. Help me, please. Help me.
I ain't eating none. You know what I'm saying?
They're not eating none today, right?
I'm not eating none.
Okay, let me take a break. I'm getting up past the word of the day. Give them a break. Make it cool down, right?
Cool it down.
Damn, make it cool down.
Cool it down. Cool it down. Forever cool it down. Bop.
No, that's hot. That one hot, man. I feel it now. That one hot. No lie.
I'm full.
No, you gotta finish it.
I might eat this one, and that's it.
Whoo! Family. Wow, it's hot now. I feel it. Word of wisdom. Whoo!
Thou shalt not eat Buffalo Wild Wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings
And Wingstop.
Wingstop. Don't do it to yourself. First Lady, family, a best friend is someone who loves you when you forget to love yourself. I know.
Wow.
Y'all got a lot of those friends around there. You feel me? Wow. Damn it. Again. Damn. A best friend is someone who loves you when you forget to love yourself. If you got those best friends, leave that sweet comment. You feel me? Likewise, you know what? Let me go finish this right now.
Sasha.
And end this video because I did us dirty. But it's good though. Last one.
At least
You can smell it.
yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Smell it for yourself if you don't believe. Can you don't believe? Smell it. Smell it. Damn it.
How many times you gonna give him the?
No, because I don't believe.
This is a nose is itching me. As long as I finish this one, I'm good.
Yeah, you did good.
Cause this is the hottest one. These are not hot.
You did good.
Anybody can eat these.
You did good. Yeah.
These are hot. And you can tell by how slow we eat this compared to how we eat those. I'm just full. Next question. Would you just buy this on a regular basis in yum? Nope.
Hell no. Nah. Not me.
Our nose is like, ugh!
Not me. It's a no for me.
He's been saying that all day.
All right. I'm done. Okay. There we go. I'm not even eating them bones. You got me messed up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we got some water. Give me a cool one. Give me a cool one. First thing I gotta drink my water. Water make your body healthy.
I need a napkin, honey. My nose is running again.
Okay. Wow. Sorry, Grace, you can't come in the picture today. No.
No, sir.
Grace ain't coming in that picture today. And do not ask why I ain't put the Grace on it. Because I'm not. I'm not that crazy. You got enough water over there?
No more.
Ah, yeah.
On camera, I died for a second way to charge it, but you guys had already saw that we ate all the hot one. This was the one that I was eating on. I ate it all. I left these 3. But now I need no more.
Yeah, you have to have it. I don't want no more. I eat a corn though. Appreciate y'all, you know. We shared with y'all. Y'all didn't want it today. You see that? So if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. Tell somebody to know somebody to tell somebody. Appreciate all of y'all. We are the Greedy Couple. And they are first lady. Can't talk. You messed up today, huh?
The Greedy family. I choose slow for real now.
You eat slow. You did good though. So the Wingstop Atomical is the hottest one.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.